Here we are on the Lee River, and Greg is fishing on a raft. Here we go!
Here we are on the Lee River, taking a small raft tour. It's equipped with an engine. We're just surrounded by this beautiful scenery. Here's Haiying,
Lee.
our driver in the back.
I know. Tell us about it.
This is a Lee Jiang fish, Lee River here.
这是什么鱼？
这是大眼鲍，
大眼包。
You notice
眼睛很大。
we don't have any bait. They just go for this little bead right here.
How big is the mouth?
Mouth is tiny. That's why the hooks are tiny too. You can barely even see it. This is like the fish right here.
Don't throw it away, give it to him.
Okay.
Let me take a picture. Doing, Greg?
This is bait for the fish here in Lee River. It's a plastic tube with holes, and you stuff this grain in here.
So they don't use live bait.
Apparently not. That's not what the locals use. And these hooks here, tiny little hooks.
How many of them?
Bead on them. About 6 or 7 hooks. Fish will basically just go after the bead as if it's a piece of grain. So you need to make sure this is full. So I'm going to cast it out.
Okay. Pass it out for us. Very cool. Good luck.
Just going to let it drift.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Then that's fish number 2. Tell us how you got it.
Just let it drift. I didn't even feel him. I basically started reeling in and I saw him dangling on the end of the line.
Very good. Hold it
All
so
right.
we can take a picture.
All right.
3, Greg. You're
Hey,
getting better.
I'm getting better at this. I'm like a local now. See?
There you go. How big is it? Oh, it's the same
It's
size.
probably about 3
But
inches.
it's edible though by their standard.